Hello everyone, we have a brand new video today. As you can see, the markets are really being down because of the Ukraine conflict. Okay, the whole market is just down, even the stocks, whatever, everything is down. So today I'm going to show you how to use the P2P trading platform on Binance. So Binance helps us users, it connects users who want to buy and who want to sell. So P2P means peer to peer, as in peer means a person, person to person. So if there's someone who is selling crypto, Binance connects that person to someone who is buying crypto. So how do you access the Binance P2P trading platform? As you can see here, as you can see on the app here, there's deposit, UGX, and there's peer-to-peer, P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading and then it loads. So here, as you can see, these are the people in my locality. As my locality is Uganda, that's why you can see this UGX on top here. You see the word P2P, there's also a UGX. So there are really very many currencies. I'm going to show you, these are the available currencies. There are really very many, as you can see. AED, all this, like if you can scroll through, you can really search for the currency of the country you're in. But me, I'm in Uganda, so I use the UGX and it's already automatically selected. So just know there are very many countries. As you can see here, there are many countries. So we go back. So there are also currently, as you can see, there are there are 5 cryptocurrencies. There's USDT, BTC, there's BUSD, there's BNB, there's Ether, and there's DAI. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can transact any of these tokens. So automatically here it's showing that it's showing buy. So if I want to buy, these are the people I can buy from. As you can see, there's Brotherhood, and then the price he has, that is 3,580. And there's also a gentleman called Cerule, Zygas, Mike Marquis, and all these others. You can see at the extreme end on the right of this of Brotherhood, it shows that he has done 69 trades, and the percentage is that. So the next one is Cerule here. I think they're organized according to the price. So the one on top has the lowest price. Not really the lowest, but I don't know how the algorithm they use. So you can see others. Cerule has 1,800 trades, and his percentage is really high. Others have, someone here has 100% percentage. That's amazing, love. So these are other factors you can use before you trade. Another one here has Tony 100%. So there are also payment methods. You can see, let me click on payment method. You can filter using payment method. So me, I chose all. You can choose mobile money, the cheaper cash, Airtel money, Momo, M-Pesa, that's for Kenya, and all these others, WeChat, MoneyGram. So all these are the payment methods. But me, I only have a few payment methods for myself. Oh, we go back. So if you want to buy, you look through this according to your payment method. Me, I mostly use payment method. So this one on top can work for me. So I click on buy, but obviously I'll not buy. So I enter the amount I want to buy, and then I continue. So let me say I want to buy maybe 60,000, 60 shillings, and then I say buy. But I want to, because if I buy, a notification will be sent to this person that I want to buy worth of 60 USD, worth of 60,000, which is 16.76 USD, and I'm going to use Airtel money. So I won't do that. So if I want to sell, it's the same procedure. So I'm going to show you here, I'm going to sell here, I'm going to show you, but so if you want BTC, it depends on the token you have. You can either buy BTC or sell. So BTC, these are the traders available for buying. And also if you click on sell, these are also the available traders, BUSD. So it depends on the currency you have. If you don't know, like you have to transfer your crypto from spot wallet to the funding wallet. I have a video below, I'll link it to you how to transfer that. It's really simple. So even BNB is here. If you want to buy and sell, there are different trades. Ether, buy and sell. These are almost the same people. There's also DAI, buy and sell DAI. It seems there are no buy of this, of DAI. So as I said, I have USD on my account. So I'm going to show you in this practically how it's done. So I'm going to choose. So I want to sell, obviously, my method. My payment method is not among this. I have Airtel money, MTN money, and then also Momo. So these first two can't work for me. I want this one. Bukati can work for me, but his limit is a lot purposely for me. I have, I think, is it $40 or $50? So this is the limit is 700,000. So I cannot use this person. The next person also I can't use that person. So I scroll down until to the person who, okay, I can maybe do that. Let me payment method. I want to use Airtel Money. So they're now showing me the people who are using Airtel Money. And then they are here. This is Mike, 100,000. Let me check if my money is worth 100,000. Mike, 78%. That's not really 71 trades. Catswell, Nip Binance. So I always use Ceruli, so I'm going to use Ceruli. But this, okay, let me just use him since I always use him. So I choose Ceruli. And then I choose all. I have $56, and then I choose the payment method. I want to use this, the first payment method. So then I say sell with 0 fees. Okay, they have been updated, so it's okay. So then I click on, I choose all, and then I click on sell with 0 fees. So a notification has been, so this is the interface you come to, waiting for buyer's payment. Ceruli, the name, everything. The amount I'm going to receive in fiat is 200,000. The dollars I'm sending to him is 56. So there'll also be a chat here. This is where I can talk with him, as you can see. So basically, I'm now going to wait for the payment. So that's how you use the Binance P2P. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.